In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in Splitwise. Changing the language in Splitwise is quick and simple once you know where to look. And in this walkthrough, I'll guide you through each step so you can comfortably use the app in the language you prefer. For this demonstration, we'll be using the Splitwise website on a desktop browser, but the general idea is similar on other devices. First, make sure you're logged into your Splitwise account. Once you're signed in, look toward the upper right corner of the screen. There, you'll see your profile icon. This might appear as your profile picture, your initials, or a small user icon, depending on how your account is set up. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This opens a small drop-down menu with options related to your account and settings. From that menu, find and click on the option labeled Your Account. This will take you to your main account page, where you can update personal details, notifications, and other preferences. This is where all of your key account settings are organized, including the language options we're looking for. Once you're on the account settings page, look for the section that controls your language. It may appear as a field labeled Language with a drop-down, or as a link or button specifically labeled Language. Click on that language option. A list of available languages will appear. Take a moment to scroll through and choose the language you want Splitwise to use. When you select a new language, you're telling Splitwise how you want menus, labels, and other interface text to be displayed. After you've selected your preferred language, you're not done just yet. You need to confirm your choice so it actually applies to your account. Look for a Save button on the page, usually located near the bottom or next to the language field. Click on Save to apply your new language settings. This step is important. If you navigate away without saving, your language choice won't be updated. Once you click Save, Splitwise will reload or refresh your settings, and you should see the interface change into the language you selected. If it doesn't update immediately, try refreshing the page in your browser. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language in Splitwise, making it easier and more comfortable for you to track and manage your shared